Hello, welcome to episode 4 of Wellness Ki Vartalap season 3. As you know, we are focusing on occupational wellness. And wellness at Samaksh is redefined as the art of being your authentic self. So, today's topic we're going to focus on helping people move from inaction to action, right? But before that, let's just discuss these questions. So are you an action oriented person who loves to create plans, take actions, get done with it, or are you someone who will create plans, think about it, and not take any action and just keep thinking and analyzing, right? So if you fall under the category of someone who is an overthinker, then let me tell you one thing: it is human to be an overthinker. It is okay, it is fine. हर वक्त एक्शन लेना जरूरी नहीं होता. हाँ, हर वक्त इनएक्शन या इनएक्टिव रहना भी अच्छा नहीं होता. But what matters is that when you feel that you're not able to take any action, do not judge yourself. If there are people around you, your family, your friends, your colleagues, telling you कि भाई एक्शन क्यों नहीं ले रहे हो, action low. Don't just sit like that. What are you doing with your life? Ask them to shut up. Ask your critical mind to shut up. What is important is that you understand what's happening inside of you, right? That fear is holding us back, but the fear is also trying to tell you something. Try to decode that message. So when you feel like you don't want to do anything, just sit back and relax. Tell yourself it's okay, right? See, when we make plans, we think through it and we're ready to move forward. Now, just because you've thought through everything doesn't mean that things will fall into place. If things don't fall in place, if things go wrong, accept it. It's okay. गिरने के बाद ही तो उठने में मजा आता है भाई. So if you find yourself in a situation where you don't feel like doing anything, don't judge yourself. It is not lethargy. Sometimes it may be lethargy, but you are an intelligent being. You know when you feel lethargic. Don't tag anything and everything relating to inactivity to be lethargy. No. Gauge your level. Why are you feeling inactive? And when you find that why, don't judge yourself. So, three things you need to do. First is sit back, relax, and connect to what's happening inside. Second, your mind and body will tell you when you're ready to take the next step, and that is where you will create your plans. You will connect to your objectives, you'll connect to your goals. Everything will fall in place. When you declutter this thing, कचरा जब यहाँ से निकाल देते हो, everything becomes clear, and it is necessary. And the third is when you've thought through everything, just take the action. Yeah? So follow these three things. Stop judging yourself. Ask people to shut up. Ask your critical mind to shut up. Bounce forward in life with complete consciousness. All the best and see you soon.